Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. You have to start by open application, then click on earbud controls at the bottom, and right here we can choose it just for a long touch and hold. I don't know why OPPO doing it, but that's all what we have. So click on it. I prefer for the left one choose volume down and for the right one volume up. But if you prefer something else, you can change it. So let's go to Spotify to test it. You should press and hold on the right one to increase the volume. And what the best, you should wait for a 3 beeps. And after that, it increases the volume. And the same with the left one. So let's check it. Now I will press and hold. I hear 2 beeps, 3 beeps, and it starts to increasing volume. I'm just hold on it. And let's go test the left one. 1, 2, 3 beeps, and it starts to lower the volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!